It started in the clouds of Shillong town. Coffee cups, laughter just hanging around. Eyes that spoke 1,000 dreams, hearts that raced like mountain streams. Hand in hand we found our way, through rain and storm we chose to stay. From Shillong to Lamka, across the miles, we carried love in every smile. Through all the highs, through all the tears, we've been in love for 9 sweet years. From city lights to village skies, your heart's my home, your soul's my guide. From Shillong to Lamka, you and I. The road was long and nights got cold, but we had stories still untold. New streets, new dreams, but the same 2 hearts, building forever right from the start. Home isn't a place, it's where you are. You're my compass, my northern star. From Shillong to Lamka, across the miles, we carry love in every smile. Through all the highs, through all the tears, we've been in love for 9 sweet years. From city lights to village skies, your heart's my home, your soul's my guide. From Shillong to Lamka, you and I. But the feeling's the same, still whispering song when I call your name. Through every turn, through every song, with you, my love, I belong. From Shillong to Lamka, side by side, we crossed the rivers, we rode the tides. Through all the highs, through all the fears, here's to a lifetime after 9 years. From mountain winds to valley skies, I'll love you till the end of time. From Shillong to Lamka, you and I. From Shillong to Lamka, forever you and I.